Good evening, coming at you live from the Broken Vehicles. Today we're changing cam and crank sensors on a 2001 Chrysler Sebring. This is a 2.7 liter. First thing you want to do is get all this out of the way to get to the crank sensor. Pull the sensor out of the ducting. There, much easier. Pull that off of the airbox. Pull the lid off the airbox. The 10mm. Pull this off of the airbox. Pull that off the throttle body. There we go. Slide it out. The crank sensor is down here, sticking out of the side of the transmission. Down right there, right down there. Looks like it's got a 10mm bolt on it. All right, I'm gonna show you where it is a little better here. It's the new thing down there. It goes in like that, on the side of the transmission. That red thing they got on the clip up here, they got in this, so there's no way of really getting it out with it attached. So you want to pop this red clip out of the connector, and then you'll be able to get it off. Careful not to pull on the wiring. There. Oh, come on. There. All right, so I've stuck it back into the hole after I removed the red clip, and now I'm going to pull on it while the engine holds the sensor there. There. It's quite stuck. Make sure they're the same. It goes in like that, on the side of the transmission. Put the 10mm bolt in. Don't drop it. You won't be able to edit it out. You'll have to actually get it. Put the airbox back in there.
There you go.
Go ahead. Yeah, 10mm in the back. Make sure to put your air intake temperature sensor back in there. Just pops in. Pop your breather hose back on. Put your wiring back on there. Put the bolt back on here, and that's how you replace the crank sensor on a 2001 Chrysler Sebring.